Hello and welcome to the Nerd Cave Remote Technical Support video channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the built-in Windows 10 reminder feature which comes with Cortana. You access it by clicking the Cortana button in the lower left hand part of your screen. It's a little circle right here. We'll click that. Click set a reminder and we'll do test reminder and we'll set it for a minute from now. Remind. Okay. And when the reminder pops up, you can snooze it for 15 minutes or longer if you like. Or you can complete it. In this case, I'll complete it. I'm going to set another reminder. Take out the trash. And I need to do that this evening at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Click the checkbox. Click remind. Okay. Now, if I want to edit my reminders, I can go back to Cortana. And right over here, this is the notebook button right here underneath the little home button. Click that. Go down here to reminders. And I want to edit this one. And I want to make it repeating. Every weekday, custom, weekly. Select day, Thursday. Click the check. There we go. Weekly, recurring weekly reminder every 1 week, Thursday. Done. So every Thursday evening I'll be reminded to take out the trash at 9 p.m. I'll go back to reminders and I'll go ahead and delete this. But that's how you use the reminder feature in Windows 10. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Also make sure you check out the website www.the-nerdcave.com and tell your friends about me. I'd love to hear from them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.